First workout natin is alternate knee taps, 25 counts. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. Okay, next, open your legs, move your hands sideways, then one side, 2, knee drive, 3, 4, 20 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, slowly, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, relax. Okay, next natin is just reach your ankle, 15 counts. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, balance, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 15 counts. Rest. Next natin is squats, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then last one, simple burpee. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, rest kayo ng 1 minute. This is a moderate intensity circuit. And do 1 or 2 more sets after nyo mag-rest para medyo pagpawisan kayo. So yun lang guys. Bye guys.